Hi, this is Ms. Shaw, and I'm going to demonstrate how to put a 7th grade Model 4 schedule into a Model 4 template. First, you will need to make a copy of the Model 4 template. So you make a copy, and then you're going to post that into your drive and save it so that you can write on it, that you can type on it. I've already done that. So this is what a Model 4 schedule looks like. In Model 4, English and math are both at the beginning of the day, but there are two 7th grade models that have math and English at the beginning of the day. In order to make sure this is a Model 4 schedule, what you need to do is look at your schedule and see where science or social studies are. If they are at the end of the day and math and English are at the beginning of the day, then you are in a Model 4 schedule. So now that I've confirmed that, we are going to start entering information into the model up at the top. First, we're going to start with homeroom. So if we look down here at a schedule, we see this homeroom teacher is Mr. Adams. So I'm going to type that right here, Mr. Adams. And I will use the text wrapping tool to make sure that I can fit his name in. Now, at the top here, we can see this is the schedule for semester 1. This is day 1. This is day 2 because we work on an odd and even schedule. This is where the room number is once you're back in the building. This is the course description, and this is the teacher that you'll have. So this particular student in periods 1, 2, and 3 has ELA or English for period 1, 2, and 3, and their teacher is Mrs. Heller. So we'll put English right here. You can write Mrs. Heller if you want. So next they have Math 7 accelerated with Mr. Haig for periods 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going to type math right here. Now we have to start looking at that day 1 and day 2, the odd and even. So on the model up here, we can see odd and even or vertically like that. So let's look at the odd, and we see on an odd day, this student has PE. So we're going to type PE right here. And then on an even day, they have chorus with Mrs. Karate. So we'll put chorus right here. In our virtual world, lunch is the same time for everyone, 11:22 to 11:56. That won't be the case once we're in the building, but for now, that's where lunch is. So now let's look at period 9. What's in period 9? We're going to scroll down. And on an odd day in period 9, this student has computer applications with Mr. Adams. So I'm going to scroll back up, and I will put CA for computer applications. That's 9 and 10. Let's scroll down and see what's in 11 and 12. So in 11 and 12, we're starting the rotation of languages. So we have to look at trimester 1. This student has Spanish with Senora Mandel first. So we're going to go back up here, and we're going to type Spanish right here. Now we have to look and see what do they have on the even day. So we're going to scroll down, and on an even day, in period 9, trimester 1, they have a rotation of art with Mrs. Lopez. So we're going to scroll back up, and art is periods 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we'll type art here, and then we can merge these two cells together and put art right there in the middle. And now we have to look at the end of the day. What is periods 14, 15, 16, and 17? When we scroll down, we see that they have science, and science is an everyday class for semester 1, which means the student will have social studies semester 2. So we're going to type science. Their teacher is Mrs. Hess. So we're going to scroll up. We can merge all of these cells together, and then we can type science. So that is what a completed Model 4 schedule looks like. If you have any questions, please reach out to your counselor. But that's how you move this schedule down here into a model that looks like this up here.